When we picture a high-stakes heist, we imagine a battle of brute physical force, criminals using industrial drills and explosives to smash heavy armor. But a master thief ignores thick steel and vault doors to search for a mathematical glitch or a logical flaw in the system's design. These specialized criminals exploit the inherent rules of the infrastructure around them, rather than trying to break the machine itself. This approach defines Arsène Lupin, a character created in Paris in 1905 by the French writer Maurice Leblanc. Leblanc was commissioned to create a French, morally ambiguous rival to Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's rigidly logical detective, Sherlock Holmes. The character became an immediate sensation, influencing everything from the long-running Japanese anime franchise Lupin III to modern television hits. Lupin operates like an early systems engineer, constantly pushing against the boundaries of his environment to see where it breaks. To understand his longevity, we have to analyze his famous heists as high-level penetration tests. During the Belle Époque, traditional blacksmithing was giving way to precision manufacturing, leading to the rise of the heavy-duty lever tumbler lock. If we open up one of these mechanisms, we find internal components built entirely on exact physical tolerances and geometry. This diagram shows the lock's kinematics. The key lifts flat metal levers to an exact height, aligning their gates with a structural fence. Lupin bypasses this using specialized tools. He applies tension while probing internal components, clicking each lever into its binding point by reading tactile feedback. Because early mass production left tiny variations in the hardware, he could also use impressioning. By turning a soft metal blank inside the keyway, the tumblers leave microscopic marks that allow him to reverse engineer a perfect working key. He defeated massive steel safes by outsmarting the mechanical tolerances of their own engineering. His analytical mindset extended to civil infrastructure, where he mapped the structural layouts of grand chateaus and national archives to find historical vulnerabilities, like forgotten transit routes and secret tunnels. He also recognized that media was an infrastructure system, using newspapers, forged letters, and anonymous tips to manipulate the police and control the narrative. Controlling the flow of public information gave him a tactical advantage as effective as picking a physical lock. In the 2021 Netflix series, the protagonist Assane Diop applies Lupin's original methodology to the digital landscape of the 2020s. Diop achieves his goals using standard smartphones to intercept communications and hack local security camera feeds, replacing the physical skeleton keys and chemicals of the early 20th century. His most powerful tool is social engineering, which focuses on hacking human psychology and common cognitive biases. Diop weaponizes the social invisibility of service workers to bypass millions of dollars of high-tech surveillance. He bypasses biometric scanners simply by wearing the right uniform and walking through the front door. Even in a world of complex digital firewalls, the human element remains a vulnerable open port on the network. This side-by-side comparison shows the shift from mechanical manipulation to digital exploits, and from physical newspapers to social media. While the tools evolved over a century, the foundational tactic, systems thinking, remains the same. Maurice Leblanc's bibliography serves as a masterclass in failure analysis, illustrating that robust security requires a deep understanding of kinematics and mathematical design. Arsène Lupin's legacy endures because he proves a timeless truth. As long as human beings design systems, there will always be a vulnerability waiting to be exploited.